Welcome to NGU University, where we share our favorite experiences with you. Tune in weekly for honest reviews, theme park walkthroughs, and visits to some of our favorite locations. First, don't forget to support this channel by subscribing and clicking on the notification icon to ensure you're among the first to view each week's new upload. For more information about NGU University, you can visit us at nguuniversity.com.
All right. As you can see, the inside is the same as it was for the great movie ride prior to the change of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's hard to say. How are they doing the pre-show? They used to have everybody come in and wait on a number here, and there was the show, and
We never got to watch the pre-show.
we never did. We never saw it.
faith in Minnie. Right, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so we can't walk crazy.